My name is Steve Castellanos, and I'm studying to get a certificate here in the college for CNC Programming. I didn't know what CNC Programming was. Looking at the videos of literally the end mill just chowing through the material made me interested in learning more about it. And then when I found out that ECC offers those courses here, I figured it might be a good field to get into. My dream is to eventually become a CNC programmer, and taking the classes here, I feel like it will definitely help out a lot because it's a lot of hands-on work. In the class, these are things that you have to see and feel, like the vibration of the machine. You can do the NC code to see how the pattern's gonna be, but the hands-on work is really where it's at. ECC makes me feel like I can accomplish my dreams. I'm here studying with great instructors and a great environment. The potential to grow here at ECC is what gets me excited to grow in my future career.